It's amazing to see all the different points of life that come into one space to make art. It's incredible.
It's just been a nice change of pace from like fast life at home and like stress of college. Just been a nice, peaceful moment.
I feel like I found a lot of great people here, including staff.
The relationship between teachers and students is also really great. It doesn't feel like teacher and student. It feels like, you know, people talking to each other.
This is where it's at. This is where you learn. This is how you learn.
I don't know, there's so much to experience here that there's no way you'll be disappointed.
I'm ready to go back home and do what I came here to learn.
I'm like very confident in where I want to go in life and what I want to do in life, which is something that I did not know 2 months ago.
I got to dabble in like every single thing I possibly ever could have wanted to, and it was really, really awesome.
I will definitely miss the people.
The people.
The people.
You know, what makes a community is the people.
You're in France, like enjoy the moment. It's amazing, like it's great.
The nature here, just like being outside in France, it's just surreal.
What I came here for, it was like looking for answers, and I think I found them.
It changed my perspective on what I can imagine.
Being in France for 2 months in this like castle, just making art.
It's been a dream 2 months for me, actually.